How much money can you make from 1,000 views on Bilibili? You might see people online claiming that Bilibili pays a fixed amount per thousand views. But be careful. Bilibili does not publish a universal fixed RPM that guarantees a specific amount for every creator. Its creator incentive system evaluates eligible content using multiple factors. That means two videos with the same number of views could potentially generate different results. Content quality, popularity, engagement, and other platform metrics can influence the incentive amount. So if someone tells you Bilibili pays exactly X dollars for every 1,000 views, don't treat that number as an official rate. The better strategy is to think beyond RPM. Build an audience, create original content, increase watch time and engagement, and then combine platform monetization with other opportunities, such as sponsorships, products, or affiliate marketing, where permitted. Because 1 million views are valuable, but 1 million views from the right audience can be even more valuable. And that brings us to another important question. Can creators outside China actually make money on Bilibili?